need some help figuring this sound out. It's been driving me nuts for 2 years. As far as I know, it's not the actuator or the fan, because it does not change with the fan speed, and none of the actuator buttons, when you change the mode, do anything. And it doesn't do it all the time. It does it after it's warmed up for a while. Used to do it only when I hit bumps. Now it does it all the time. Here you go. Now if you can hear that, turn it up. If you didn't, I'll turn it on again. There you go. So if I change, you can hear that move. Modes, doesn't do anything. Fan speed. You hit the dash, it may stop or change. There we go. Oh, start up again. Good luck. Thanks.